Once upon a time, in a magical land, Uncle Gary the T-Rex, Dino the Dino, and Whiskers the Cat set out on a thrilling adventure to the Enchanted Forest.
What a beautiful day for an adventure, friends. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and the air is filled with the scent of blooming flowers. It's the perfect day to explore new places and make unforgettable memories.
I can't wait to see what wonders await us in the Enchanted Forest. I've heard tales of magical creatures, hidden treasures, and ancient trees that whisper secrets. Every step we take could lead us to a new discovery.
Meow. Let's stick together and help each other, no matter what we face. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. With teamwork and a positive spirit, we can overcome any challenge and enjoy every moment of this adventure.
We're lost and scared. We can't find our way home. We miss our parents.
Don't worry, little ones. We'll help you find your way back.
Together we can do anything. Let's follow us.
Meow will make sure you're safe and sound.
And so, Uncle Gary, Dino, and Whiskers returned home, their bond stronger than ever. They learned that true friendship is about kindness, empathy, and working together to overcome any obstacle. And as the sun set on their adventure, Uncle Gary, Dino, and Whiskers knew that they had not only found their way through the Enchanted Forest, but also found the true magic of friendship. The journey had been long and filled with challenges, from crossing treacherous rivers to navigating dense, mysterious woods. Yet, through every obstacle, they had each other's backs. Uncle Gary's wisdom, Dino's bravery, and Whiskers' keen senses had all played a crucial role. As they sat together, watching the sky turn shades of orange and pink, they realized that the bond they had formed was stronger than any spell or enchantment. It was a bond forged in trust, laughter, and shared experiences. So remember, boys and girls, in this vast and magical world we live in, just like Uncle Gary, Dino, and Whiskers, true friends stick together, help each other, and always look out for one another. They share their joys and sorrows, and they make every moment special. They spread kindness wherever they go, lighting up the world with their good deeds and warm hearts. Whether it's a simple smile or a helping hand, every act of kindness counts. Because in the end, friendship is the greatest treasure of all. It's the bond that makes our adventures more exciting and our challenges easier to face. Goodbye, friends, until our next adventure together. Keep spreading love and kindness, and remember, the magic of friendship is always with you.